Mail. Awesome acting right here and right back there. Great acting. Oscar is in the mail. For the rest of you guys, some of you were laughing a bit too hard. Not really credible, but you know, you can try next time, right? Okay, here you go, guys. This is how the pros did it on Fox's Bones. Check it out.
What's going on?
Let's get out of here! The water main just broke!
Oh my God.
All right, guys, welcome to 6 Points, Texas. We had 6 different streets that met up in 1 point because they were shooting silent movies back in the old days. They could shoot up to 6 different movies at the same time. The sound of one obviously didn't interfere with the sound of the other, and each one of these streets represented its own town. Now, I want you to look at the